Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am a full-time trader, full-time investor. I day trade Monday through Friday. I also swing trade the cryptos. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay. Over here, I only focus on the charts because the charts will only tell you the truth. If you've been losing money, definitely hit the subscribe button because over here, we've been making money. So today we're going to talk about this Bitcoin situation, Tether, and pretty much the rest of the market. Let me pull out my what's going on, Davina? What's going on, JA? Trying to figure out. Hold on, guys. What's going on, Eric? So, guys, can you hear me good? Is the audio good, loud and clear? All right. So, guys, during the live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. And if you're watching that replay, you can actually hit settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2 so you can speed up the replay. Okay. So let's get this party started. Let me give you guys a round of applause. So yeah, JA said yeah. Are you saying yeah for the audio? Let me give you guys a round of applause. So is my audio good? Let's look at this crypto market real quick. Let's refresh this. The market cap is at 220. No, actually 211. Bitcoin volume shot up nicely. Let me actually hit on Bitcoin real quick. Loud and clear. All right. Yes, guys, I smell something cooking. I definitely smell something cooking in the oven real soon. The pump that we got today, right now we at 7. I'm trying to figure out, did we hit 7 before? Let's look. Let's look to see if we hit 7 before. Let me go to the last 3 months. I'm looking at the Bitcoin volume right now. I'm trying to figure out if we did hit 7 before. July 24th or yeah, July 24th. Let's see, when was July 24th? What happened around there? Okay, so July 24th, guys. Do you see that right there? July 24th. That's when we had that 7 billion right here, okay? So 7 billion, July 24th. And guess what happened after that? Guess what happened after that July 24th? Sell off. So, if you look at this move, I mean, this move is straight up bots or one buy bots that's taking over. And you know it's not a normal buy, okay? And also, you know, it's not healthy. Shout out to the crew. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. So right now, guys, what you're seeing right now is just a simple pump to stop people out. Okay. What I'm noticing right now, especially on this Bitfinex chart, is they stopped out the people that probably had stop losses above this swing high right here. Because if you notice that ever since we've been in this bear market, the price never went above these swing highs. We finally got a pump that went above one of these swing highs, and notice how it shot right back down. So that's not bullish at all. For one bar to go all the way up here and then go all the way back down right here, that's not bullish at all. Okay, I smell something cooking real soon. This thing, we might see a crazy red bar. I don't know when, but this is definitely not bullish at all. They might try to push this thing back up one more time, but I don't know if they want to do that. Okay, right now what we're looking at is just a crazy spike. I'm quite sure they took a lot of people stops out, and all this reminds me of is just what happened with XRP not too long ago. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions on my live streams, definitely type in your questions. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm trying to make this a quick live stream. I got things to do. But if you look at XRP, guys, when we had that pump not too long ago with XRP, this is exactly what it looks like, guys. This doesn't look good at all, especially for Bitcoin. Okay, if you notice how XRP pumped straight up and then it went right back down, the same candle. So this candle, if you look at this candle right here, was all the way up here. It was green up here. Now it went all the way straight down. Okay, and then the next thing you know, we sold off. Look at Bitcoin. Same thing. Popped up. It was green all the way up here. Now we selling back down. So this definitely doesn't look good. It doesn't look bullish. They will probably try to go up back to the highs one more time, but I don't know if they're going to reach the highs again. They probably just going to roll over and continue to go down, because this is not bullish at all. Let me see if I see any questions here. Davina, J.A., Eric, Jeffrey, Fetch, Eric Jobson, Mark, Eric S. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Mr. 66, Jamal. What's going on, AZ? Jamal said I'm short in Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Okay, I hear that. Actually, let's go to the daily chart on Ethereum, and you know, look at Ethereum and notice that it didn't really pump up that high. Let's look at Litecoin. And guys, this is you want to really see what the altcoins are doing, because the altcoins are the leading indicators. Okay, Bitcoin could be, not could be, but it's usually the distraction. So if you look at all these altcoins, they really didn't, they still look like they didn't go nowhere. Okay, so that big pump with BTC is just regular, and this is one of the reasons why. It's one of the reasons why it's going to be a hard time for Wall Street to come in a market like this? You think Wall Street want to come into a market like this? All right. You think Wall Street want to come into a market that spikes up like this, trying to play games? No. So this market has a lot of, you know, wrinkles. We got to iron out a lot of wrinkles in the market, and you know, it's going to take time for this market to heal. This pump looks like a last pump that's trying to just take out stops and go back, continue to go back down. This doesn't look normal at all, and I don't know if anyone got excited off this move anyway. People was talking about Tether today, and it was down, but it's trying to go back up. But overall, it is suspect. It is definitely suspect. Okay. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that, the Tether situation. We will see if this thing continues to go back down. So let's see if I see any questions, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate it. Honey, what's going on? Adam. So Lewis said, so you're saying we're going to come back down. Yes, Lewis, we're still in the bear market. So Lewis, let me ask you a question. Do you think that this is the start of the bull market? George said, is your course still 110? George, not at the moment. At the moment is 210. If you're looking to get the course, I give that 110 during my live stream. So if you want to get it right now, I can change that price for you. And anybody else that's interested in this course, is basically the best course in the crypto market, period, hands down. I don't care what course you put it against. No course in the crypto market is getting the results that my students are getting. Just go and read the testimonials. I have over 40 people making money. Over. So you can check it out. I'm gonna copy and paste that for anybody that want to check that out. I just gave you guys that discount. And George, if you get it, George, let me know, because it comes with a Discord room, so you can chat with me, my traders. If you have any questions, if you're stuck on something, you can ask me, my traders, my students. All right, so so Lewis, yes, Lewis, you thought this was a bull move, Lewis? You thought this was a bullish move? Anybody in this room, please let me know. Anybody in this room, do you think, or did you think this was a bull move and we was going to moon up? Please, anybody, let me know. And be honest, you know. I know some of you guys are still learning, so it's okay to be honest. VI Pete, you said new subscriber, looking forward to your course. Thanks for the info. Shout out to you, Pete. Pete, did you get the course yet? I'm trying to figure out, did you get the course? I'm not too sure what you were saying, but let me see here. Guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. This live stream is not going to be a long live stream. Why does BTC price says 64 while Binance 7? I don't know. I wish I can tell you. I don't know. I really don't know. But, you know, welcome to the crypto world. Welcome to an unregulated market. A market that most people believe that the Wall Street guys are just going to run in just because they, you know, they think they're going to miss out. You think Wall Street is going to run in, you know, you think Wall Street is actually in a hurry to come into a market like this? Nah, I don't think so. This market has to chill out. I'm reading these questions, guys, so give me a second. Lewis said, no, I didn't think so. I just needed full candles, like you said. All right, I hear you. I hear you. Bitcoin pump because of Tether, called fraud, delisted, everyone dumped. I don't know what it is about. You know, all that speculation. You can't believe everything you read in the news. So, you know, some people say that that's the reason. Me personally, I just think that they are looking to take people's money. That's it. Let me see here. You said which one you should be trading on JAFAX. It doesn't matter. Aces. If you see a setup on either peer, on Ethereum BTC, Ethereum USD, it doesn't matter. Price is price. A chart is a chart. So if you see a setup, regardless, there's no difference. Pete said not yet. Okay, shout out to you, Pete. Whenever you guys ready, let me know. Adam said, I think this move has a chance at keeping the current bottom active. I don't know what you mean by that, because if you look at this move, it shot up and it shot right back down. This is not bullish at all. This is very fake right here. We might continue to go back up. We might continue to go back up, but I don't expect this thing to go that far. You have to understand, Adam, when you see a move like that, that's not natural. Okay, that's not a bull. That's just somebody in the market that's trying to hunt stops and take you out. Same thing we had with XRP. If you notice, XRP shot up and shot right back down. Okay, that's not bullish at all when you have this big spike. Jamal said, honestly, I think BTC will break. Yes. I mean, put it like this, guys. Put it like this. The market been bearish for going on. November is going to be 11 months. If you guys think that all of a sudden the market is just going to turn bullish the last month or the second to last month of the year, I mean, come on, guys. This thing been bearish all year. It's not going to just automatically turn bullish 1 month out of the year. So a couple of things, what they can do, they can just try to hold this thing up above 6,000 for the rest of the year, or they can dump this thing real soon, and then in January we might see some type of pump, and everybody and their mother is going to say, yes, the bull run is here, buy up, it's the New Year's. And I believe it's going to just continue to fall back down. Lewis said, I'm still new at this. I'm about to watch your videos for the 5th time. Yeah, no problem, man. Shout out to you, Lewis. Eric S said, would you make videos on the future in the future about other markets? Yeah, I might. I'm gonna start, because a lot of people have been asking me about that day trading course, so I might, I might just do that day trading course and talk about other markets, because I know some of you guys are tired of the crypto market, because one day we get a big spike, and then for 2 weeks we're not doing anything. So I know some of you guys are just tired of the crypto market, and you want to see, you want to see what's good with other markets. And I understand, okay? Because me personally, I don't day trade the cryptos at all, okay? I day trade the futures, and I believe that there's better opportunities during the day, the futures. Swing trade is pretty good with Bitcoin, but you can also swing trade Forex and other markets too. So once you understand how to read the charts and read patterns and understand everything, trust me, guys, it's going to be very hard for you to not take advantage of other markets. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities out here to make money. Most people are so stuck and so obsessed with their one coin, and the reason why they're obsessed with their one coin is because they put all their wealth in that one coin. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Eric Jobson said, hey, Ben, I've been looking forward to the trading futures and commodities are good for trading. Yes, futures and commodities are very good. Okay, right now I'm trading the crude oil. Okay, but yes, it's very good. I'm glad you guys are looking at different markets. I'm glad, because markets are just markets. Crypto was hot last year, but this year crypto is slowing down. So right now is a swing trading market. Okay, if anybody's buying and holding right now this year, I'm just shaking my head, because if you bought and hold this year and that's all you've been doing, buying the dips, you didn't make no money this whole entire year. You didn't make no money. Okay, the people that's making money from this crypto market is the traders that's taking advantage of these swings. And I think next year is going to be the same. All right, so let me see here. Eric Johnson said, Ben, what markets are you trading this week? I trade crude oil, day traded. I trade crude oil during the week, Monday through Friday. I don't know if you saw my videos, Eric. I don't know if you saw my videos. I put out a couple of videos showing you how I day trade, so you can check those out too. Was Tether only temporary delisting? I heard about that. I'm not too sure. I heard about that. I'm not too sure though. I'm not too sure if they. Someone just said that no, they wasn't delisted. Jamal said price is being squeezed in the channel. A breakout is on the way. Yes, a breakout. Yes. So, I'm thinking, are they going to hold this? Because we only have, technically, we only have 2 more months, right, left. So are they going to just keep this thing above 6,000 until the end of this year and then decide to dump it? Or are they going to dump it soon and then January we have this crazy pump? Everyone is calling for a bull run. We will see. Tether never went anywhere. Yeah, I know. What's going on, Glenn? So yes, guys, if you look at this, it's just all of this, guys, is just a pump, okay? This is not bullish at all. Yes, we might continue to go back up. You might see the market continue to go back up, but I think it's slowly going to round out and go right back down, almost like XRP. Okay, XRP did a nice little spike, tried to go back up, and then it's went right back down. So it's very similar, guys. This is not bullish at all. You can tell whoever bought this, as soon as it went up all the way up here, they didn't have enough buying power to continue to go up, so they just kept selling. Sellers came in. There's not enough buyers to push up this market anyway, okay? You can try to push up this market with a couple of buys. Unless the whole group of whales decide to buy the market, but other than that, this looks like maybe one buy. And it's not enough money to push up the market. We need new users to step in the market. No one is actually looking to invest in crypto right now, and that's why I shake my head. I don't know why people believe that this is the bottom. We're gonna moon up. There's nobody searching for the cryptos right now. We need new users. So let me read these questions. I'm about to get out of here. Like I said before, guys, if you don't have this course, check it out. It comes with a Discord. Let me read some questions before I get out of here. Tim said FUD because of Tether 300 million. Tim, I don't know. It could be because of FUD. It could be because of some other stuff, Pete said, "Can you tell us why I like crude oil?" It's a good market to day trade. It gives you decent gains, and there's a lot of markets that you can trade, but right now I'm liking crude oil. Right now Nasdaq is okay. It's pretty good. It's volatile. So but you know, you can trade any market. I just like crude oil because right now it's just stable. It's not like wild or anything like that. The Nasdaq right now is wild because the market itself is wild. Crude oil is more like stable. George, you bought the course right now? You just bought the course, George? Shout out to everybody that's in this room. George, if you just bought the course right now, you would need so shout out to George. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. You would need what do you call that? WinRAR or WinZip? WinRAR or WinZip. You have a Mac. Oh, if you have a Mac, actually you need, you said you have a Mac, right? Let me see, a Mac. Okay, so guys, what program do George need to you know, to open up the course? Because I don't have a Mac. Oh, actually JA gave you the app. So George, if you have any problems, email me today, and I will give you the links for the Mac. Okay, I will give you the links for the Mac. All right, George. But George, you have to email me anyway. So email me today so you can get that Discord room. All right, George. You have to email me anyway. So email me email me right now. So you can get that Discord room, so you can just be a part of the community. Let me see here. So guys, if you have any more questions before I leave, please type in your questions right now. Be careful out here. This market is looking to basically, I don't know if it's confusing, because I mean, I saw a couple of bull videos. Most people saying that this might be the bull run, but I saw another, videos where people was just scared and trying to figure out what's going on. So right now it's half and half. I don't really see too many moon boys going crazy. I mean, a couple of moon boys are going crazy. They saying yes, this is the bottom. But right now, guys, be careful, especially if you're trying to buy the dips, because this right here, guys, this is just one buy, and it couldn't hold up. You could tell because as soon as it went up to here, it shot right back down. So this is definitely not a bullish sign. I do see Bitcoin try to go up one more time. I definitely see that. Plus, it's a lot of things. This whole move was unsustainable. A true bull move doesn't spike up like that. It goes up nice and slow. Sometimes you might have a little spike here, but it's nothing crazy like this. Let me give George a round of applause. Thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot, George, for supporting the channel, and thanks a lot for getting that course. I appreciate it because, I know that you are open-minded and you want to see how the market works, and you want to have new opportunities and more money to come in, because there's money to be made. Okay, most people just sitting back and waiting. And also when you get that Discord room, you're gonna see that a lot of my students also is taking the strategies and going to other markets like Forex and you know, futures and stuff like that. So you're gonna see that it's just not just for crypto. Let me see here. Oh, okay. George, here's my I'm sorry about that. Here's my email address. Email me here, right here. Email me there, okay, George? That's my email address. Email me right there. What's going on, stop motion? You hit these likes. Thanks a lot, George. Definitely see you in that Discord. But overall, if you look at the whole market itself, it tells it all. It tells the whole story. If you look at Litecoin, look at Ethereum, these coins still look weak. Most of these coins still look weak. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum still looks weak. Litecoin still looks weak. Not saying that you know, they can't decide to push it one more time, but everything else still looks weak. So this pump right here is not fooling me at all. And a bear market is a bear market. It doesn't make any sense for a bear market just to become bullish, and we have 2 more months left. So most likely it's going to continue to be bearish for the whole year and 2019. So guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. TRX. Right now, TRX is not doing anything. I don't know what TRX is going to do in the future, but right now, TRX has a lot of resistance right here. We actually hit this resistance twice. You notice, boom, boom. So this actually could be a money maker right here. Let me see. Let me zoom in real quick. Wow. So yes, all these guys are just spiking up, and look like it's trying to go right back down. Yeah, TRX is looking weak right now. I don't know in the future, Jeffrey. I don't know exactly what TRX is going to do. Me personally, what I want to do is wait until this bear market is over, and I make my decisions based on that. Aaron said respond to my email. Aaron, when do you email me? When do you email me, and what okay, you email me today, Aaron. Aaron, you emailed me today, so you know I'm a one guy machine, so yeah, give me some time, Aaron. When I get off this live stream, I will get to your email, and I will get to George's email. So George, you got my email. You can email me, and Aaron, I will get to your email too. So Aaron wants to. Okay, yeah, I see your email right now, Aaron. So I'm gonna send you that Discord room, Aaron, right now. And guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. Fetch said your thoughts. Can you tell me more about your thoughts on what's that? I don't know what's that. Is that a coin? I don't see that coin. Is that a coin? Fetch. But let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by tonight. I'll probably see you guys either tomorrow. But right now, please do not believe that this is the bottom, guys. Please, yes, we might continue, go up to test. I'm trying to figure out what number they want to test, but this definitely looks weak. I'm thinking in my head, do they want to hold this market up for the whole year? Is it possible? But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for coming through. Is it a clothing company? Is that a stock? What is that? A stock? This actually is on it was downtrending. So me personally, I don't like this. It's downtrending. It did a nice little pop though. It did a nice little pop. So it might continue to go up. It might continue to go up from this pop, but overall, to buy it, you know, it's been downtrending for a long time. So you pretty much going against the trend, but it does look like it can actually have another push up, but you know, we'll see. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot. Are you looking for a short? Okay, so if you're looking for a short, you know, there's nothing wrong with a short. Of course, I'm not giving the one financial advice. It's not bad for a short, but you know, only thing is it's been downtrending for a long time, so it might have a you know, another move up, but you know, it is downtrending. So a short, you know, is definitely a good choice, of course. But it's been downtrending for a minute, so I definitely see maybe another push up, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, I gotta get out of here. Have a good night. Make sure you guys continue to study. Continue to study, improve, look at the charts. Okay, this is what I did in the past. Look at charts, study all day. So thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by today. And make sure you guys have a great day, a great night. And I'll talk to you guys later, all right? I'm trying to turn this thing off. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Let's see.